Welcome and thank you for joining the Veeder-Root Operator Training Module. The purpose of this training module is to provide operators, end users, and area service providers a clear understanding on how to use the TLS navigation screens. You can access everything from inventory and other business-related information, including reports. We'll also demonstrate how to add a screen to your Favorites menu. The Favorites menu stores commonly used screens, making it quicker to access various reports. Let's begin with the console's home screen. The factory default home screen is the tank overview screen. The system allows the users to assign a specific screen as their home screen. Typically, the tank overview screen is used as the home screen. We'd like to start by talking about the top portion of the home screen. At the very top of this is the alarm status bar. This screen area displays alarm and warning indicators. If you touch the alarm status area, the system will automatically change the screen to the alarm and warning history screen. Also, this area of the screen provides the number of warnings or alarms active in the system. To the right of the alarm indicator, you'll find the date and time. When the TLS4 is connected to an external printer, you can use the print icon to print any report or screen data that is displayed. The section just below the alarm indicator is called the breadcrumbs. That indicates which screen you are currently on. For this example, we are showing you the system status and then tank overview screen. By pressing any of the breadcrumb sections, you will automatically go to the menu selection. In the last segment of the breadcrumbs, if there is a drop-down arrow, this indicates there are various selections you can quickly navigate. Let's continue by talking about the tank overview screen. Looking at the center of the tank overview screen, a graphical representation of each enabled tank is displayed. This display provides a current inventory information. In addition, the tank graphic is an active icon. To the right of the tank icon, the fuel volume, height, ullage, temperature, and water height are displayed. When you press on the tank icon, the system will advance to the tank detail screen. The selected tank will be enlarged for easier viewing. This view has two tabs, General and Limits. The General tab is default. You will see that the same home screen tank information is displayed along with the capacity and diameter of the tank. Now let's click on the Limits tab. You are now able to view the programmed tank limits. These limits will trigger either a tank warning or an alarm. Parameters include maximum volume, high product, overfill level, delivery needed, low product, high water warning, and alarm. The tank illustration in the Limits tab has multicolor indicators displaying where each limit is set in reference to the overall tank capacity. Now that we've talked about the main screen and the tank overview screen, let's talk a little bit about the terms we've used so far. Let's take a few minutes and review those definitions. The first field we want to talk about is fuel volume. This is the amount of fuel calculated to be in the tank. The ATG uses the fuel height measured by the probe and the diameter of the tank to calculate how much fuel is in the tank. The next is actually the fuel height. This is from the probe determining what the actual height is in the tank. Ullage is the open or available space above the fuel in the tank. This measurement can be used as a cross-check for deliveries to make sure you do not overfill a tank. The next field is temperature. This is the current temperature in the fuel. The next field is the water height. This displays the current level of the water in the tank. If the water level rises, it will generate a water warning and then possibly a water alarm. The next field is capacity, and this is a programmed volume of the tank. This volume is provided by the tank manufacturer. The next field below that is the diameter. This is the programmed size of the tank. This value is derived from the manufacturer's tank chart. Now, maximum volume. This is an alarm limit which indicates fuel volume has reached the maximum the tank is capable of holding without an overflow. High product is an alarm warning you are approaching a maximum volume of the tank. The next field is overfill. This is an alarm warning to the delivery driver the tank is close to being full and to stop the delivery. The next field is the delivery needed. This is a programmable level indicating the fuel level is low and a delivery is required before the tank is below a level the pump is able to pick up product. Next one is low product. This indicates the level in the tank is close to empty. At this level, the submersible pump is close to being exposed to air, which could damage the pump. High water warning and alarms. These are the two limits which trigger alarms if the water level starts to rise in the tank. First, a water warning will be posted. This will give the operator a chance to have the water removed. If the water continues to rise, an alarm posting and dispensing from the tank should be stopped to prevent dispensing water.